I've lived in St. Mary's, Alaska all my life, 63 years. I'd say we're a small, close-knit town. Everybody knows everybody. It's very important that we have elders passing stuff on to our children and grandchildren.
My values and my history of, who I am, what I am, comes from my grandparents, and then their parents, and then thousands of years. Culture is very valuable nowadays because it's almost gone.
I've heard the saying, once you lose an elder, you lose the whole library. A lot of the elders have to move out for medical reasons. There's no assisted living out here in St. Mary's. It does put a strain on those families just to be so far away.
Our Senior Access program is a program designed to help elders stay in their houses longer. CSBG funding really helps us do more in each community. For instance, here in St. Mary's, we were able to do 10 more houses than we would have normally been able to do. One of the things that we do in that program is we do a lot of access ramps on people's houses. None of these houses are on foundations, so a lot of them sit on posts and beams 5 to 6 feet up in the air, which makes going up and down the stairs tough for a lot of people.
When I was a kid, I had juvenile rheumatoid arthritis. Then after having the COVID, arthritis just came back. Well, I wasn't able to walk, I wasn't able to do anything. Even to put wood in the stove, pretty hard. Now when I go out, I use 2 canes to get around. It was very hard to go down the stairs, then when coming back to go back up the stairs. In fact, I quit going to stuff like they're having in town because about 16 steps altogether. 8 down, 8 up. With the ramp installed, I just quit counting steps. In fact, we had a ranch just a few days ago, and I was able to go to it. All last winter I wasn't able to go because of conditions, and I finally went to it, and boy, you forget everything. You forget you ache. It's just a powerful medicine. It just takes all that pain and stuff away.
The moment that they can start accessing their house again all on their own, I've seen tears of joy from many people, One of the difficulties with those ramps is the effects of climate change. Our sun comes up in the morning, and for a good 2-3 months out of the summer, it doesn't go down. It just gets hotter and hotter throughout the day and the nighttime.
A lot of the time the ground is just tundra, so spring runoff, the ground gets saturated, and so there does have that shifting in the ground.
The problem is our winters now aren't cold as they used to be to help regenerate it. So every year in some communities we lose 6 to 8 inches of ground.
It's definitely thawing out underneath. Even when someone walks, you could feel the house shaking. Can't tell what's going to happen with this climate change.
We used to build a wooden ramp that was not really adjustable at all, and we'd find that 2 or 3 years later, this ramp cannot hardly even be used anymore because it's so out of whack. We've switched to an aluminum ramp that's highly adjustable and easily adjustable, done by the homeowner. It's not something that we have to come out and do. We've gotten a lot of praise on them so far. The Senior Access program works parallel in the communities where we're doing weatherization. It just makes sense to maximize use of tools, time, to do those in the communities that we're already in.
CSBG has been absolutely the backbone that has allowed us to really have meaningful impact with communities around the state.
When you fly in, you can tell that we've been here. And when we leave, you're really going to be able to tell.
Having stuff like this should be continued funded, give people access to everyday normal stuff that people take for granted.
It may seem like a small change in the world, but when you come to St. Mary's, Alaska, and you see the happy families, it means a lot. It means that it's one less struggle that they have to face. And that saves a lot for these people from birth to elder.